welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be dyeing Jonah's hair purple. Just like that one video we did back in the day. Fun fact, I didn't actually dye Jonah's hair. That was just movie magic. Lots of people have been commenting, do a Throwback Thursday of you dyeing your brother's hair.
Oh my
goodness. This is basically that. They've been commenting that not on our YouTube because YouTube turned off our comments.
If you want to comment, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Those are places you can talk to us. So this is the new Yum version of oVertone, and it's made for brown hair. So now you don't have to have blonde, bleached hair to use it.
It's time to put this stuff on Jonah's head.
If you guys watch this video now, we're going to go to CameraCon 2019. None of you know what that is.
No, a lot. We've done vlogs on it.
Maybe.
You know what it is.
Some people.
Do you want like all over, Jonah? Or just like this top part?
The top part is going to look weird.
So all over?
Yeah.
Alright.
Now we're gonna wait 15 to 10 minutes, and while we do that, we're gonna open up this mega egg sent to us by UCC. So thanks UCC for this free egg. Apparently, according to my mother and her all-knowing insight, there is some rather epic items in here.
That aren't just for Micah. These are available in Target.
First class.
They're on the third, but ooh, what a fun kid.
Let's go ahead and pull out our first epic gangsta item. What we got?
Ooh, never mind.
Oh, okay.
One Punch Man.
That is a pretty epic item.
That's a pretty good item. I like that.
And I got Rocket League cars. I don't have Rocket League, but I played it and it's cool.
This is one of the many Saitamas I can get. Love it. Like
You can get Sassy Lost
you
Child.
can get like 6 different Saitamas and then Sassy Lost Child. There's a lot of them.
Why isn't Bicycle Guy on here? It's Steven Universe.
Steven Universe.
Let's go ahead and open him up. Golly gosh, can you believe it? I got one of the 4 Stevens.
Exactly what This is the chicken from Crossy Road.
This is a squad. I can't say that other words.
Chicken!
Or we'll get a strike. Squad. Box. We got a DC Comics blind box. Round. Rotund. They are rotund.
We also have a Marvel one of that, and I want Spider-Man because Spider-Man is the best superhero, and that's just fact.
Rotund Superman.
Superman is a country boy.
Yeet. We got Minecraft. Craftables. This is like one of those little TV blind boxes, as you can see. But then they ran out of ideas, so they were like, we're gonna make them cool now.
Here's Thor.
It's Thor, but it's comic book Thor. That's not super cool movie Thor.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got to build the nether. I got the nether, by the way. Gotta straight up build it now.
While he does that, I'm gonna open up this Gudetama dangler. I think that's right. Look at that. Isn't that just cute? Can you eat eggs like this? Who knows? Alright, Micah, we're gonna open up this, you get a little Pokeball, Micah.
Peekaboo.
Yeah, Peekaball. That's of course what it's called.
No.
Do you not want this?
A chicken.
Here's the chicken.
Bada bing.
Ah!
Bada bing. Done.
Finish spinner! We got a spinner!
Wow. So satisfying.
Fun is free!
Oh my gosh, it's a squishy. It's a squishy guy. So if you just put him in a ball, then he comes right back. That's what is this one, Reggie?
I've never watched any Five Nights at Freddy's.
If you know what this one is, comment down below.
Wait, they can't comment.
I mean, think about it hard enough that it inserts itself into my mind. Or comment on Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok.
I've never played Jump Force even though it came out like a week ago.
We got Steven Universe plush blind box here.
Woo!
We got Garnet. Star Wars. I got Kylo Ren. Yes. He is a great character. I love him. Good old Ben. The car from Rocket League. Micah, you're gonna like this one. These are all keychains. Bada bing.
We
Car
got
time.
another fidget spinner. This time in black.
We got a rotund Dragon Ball Z man, Gohan. I've never seen Dragon Ball Z, but I know what it is, so I have points there, I guess. I'm over there.
Dear Kitty's Mama, Ultimate Mystery Egg, the Mega Egga. Each egg is packed with over $100 of licensed merchandise and guaranteed to include a plushie. Have a blast unboxing or unegging product from your favorite brands. Launching this Sunday, March 3rd, and exclusively at Target. These Mega Eggs are sure to be a hit for kids of all ages.
I like this. This is cool. We got another Dragon Ball Z boy. So I'll open it up. Are these all different characters?
I have never watched Dragon Ball Z.
I've seen.
I can't tell the difference.
Okay, I know
between
this
any
man.
characters.
It's good old Boo. I know him because of a Game Grumps episode. I lost the pieces, but I'll pick them up later. And the last one. A Hello Neighbor. Blind box. Now I have played this game, and I knew of it pretty dang early on.
Jonah knew of it before it was.
I kinda did.
I've
got
seen ads for it.
Mr. Neighbor Man. We're gonna talk about Soulja Boy. So we met Soulja Boy once at a party. He was pretty cool, but him talking all this trash on Nintendo is a little wacky. He's kind of poking the bear here.
He did what?
He's gonna get sued.
Is he not already?
What
Completely copied their game console?
He completely copied like 3 of their game consoles and then did all these ports that are just bad and ripping off their stuff. And he's like, oh, Nintendo ain't gonna do nothing. And
his website
they did
shut
something.
Nintendo ain't to be messed with.
And then he said, oh, and guess what? Reggie left Nintendo because of me. I scared him straight. But also, he just released a new song that's just called Zelda, and he just took the Zelda theme.
What is he
There's
thinking?
plenty of
What is
songs
he
that do that.
thinking? So we have learned from our friend Melissa, that the Mega Egga is $39.99 at Target and other retailers. Only Target.
Only Target.
Only Target.
Only Target.
Yeah.
This has been here a while. So now what are you gonna do, Jonah?
Now I'm going to go shower in the morning. We'll show you the results. And it'll be bright outside and you'll see, oh, that's how it looks in the natural sunlight. Today it's day 2. This is the same video. Anyway, so as you can see, my hair is kind of purple. Hold on, let me see.
It's just like tinted purple. Like if you catch it in the right light, you can see it.
And right here it's more prominent because my hair's thinner right there. Pretty cool, I think. It's very subtle. And I'm gonna use the conditioner because I like it.
The next video is gonna be me straightening my hair because that's requested and it's a long process.
And if this video gets enough views, I might actually dye my hair. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see.
Thanks for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter.
Did you say comment?
Did I? So, we don't have comments, so my app doesn't work anymore. Go to our Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok and comment the comments you would like to comment. Because you can't comment anymore.
No more comments.
So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, other social media. And I'll see you in the next video.